to Cooking with the Boys. Today we will be making crunchy cornflake French toast stick.
What you're gonna need is 3 eggs, 2 cups of cornflakes, and make sure to use plain cornflakes, not frosted cornflakes. Half a cup of milk, a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and slices of bread.
We're gonna make cornflake crumbs. We're using a food processor, but you also can put them in a bag and crush them with a rolling pin.
First, we are going to make the batter. First, we're going to crack all of the eggs open. Then, put a pinch of salt and the milk. And the vanilla. And then mix it. Then we are going to cut the bread into breadsticks. And then put the breadsticks inside the batter and let it soak. Let it soak until the bread absorbs the mixture.
Take the soaked breadsticks and coat it with cornflakes. Melt butter on the pan. And now cook the sticks on the pan until both sides are crispy.
Now it's ready. Let's eat.